Alright, now let's continue with our reusable widget. So we have managed to use it on this one. We have updated it. Okay, so let's just maybe this, let's reduce it to 8. Yeah, move it a bit this side. All right, now let's put it also here. Okay, so let's close that, and then we need to go now to the alignment right. So this one, we need to show this there. So now here on the alignment right, we need to use this widget. Okay, so let's come back here. Now we need to check. So here everything else is going to be the same, but now we need to let it also handle that. So if we are using it here, what we want to do is in this column, yes, we want to show the title, and then this message to show, now it has to be this. Okay, this message. All right, and then this message dot replied to, where are we using that? Okay, that is the name. Okay, so let's come here. So here instead of so here we should show message dot replied to. Okay, not what we are doing. So now that is handled, which is here. Now here we need to check. Okay, we need to have a check if this is empty. Okay, so here we need to say if message replied message model. Yeah, so if replied message model is not now, that's when we'll show this. Let's remove it here because it's doing it here. Else we want to show this message to show. Okay, display message to show. Let's copy that, and then let's come back here, and then let's paste it here. Now we need to import this. So here you know that this is called a message model. So maybe let's refactor this. Let's rename to message. So we just need to add the now check there, and then also here we need to add the now check. So now this view only, if we come here, the view only is coming from up here, right? This view only. So we need to pass it in that widget. Okay, so this view only, let's pass it. So the view only, let's just pass it as yeah. Also we want to pass it as required. Okay, by default is going to be false, and then now there we have passed it. All right, now what else do we need to pass? So we have done this. All the above is still the same. Yeah, I think that's it. Now here, instead of calling this container, we can go ahead and comment it, and then here let's call our message reply preview. Message reply preview, and then what we need to pass is we don't want to pass this. All we want is this and this. Okay, because that's what we are using here. All right, now let's come back here, because if you are showing this, we don't want to show these things below. Okay, this and the spacer. So what we are going to do is let's break this in parts. Okay, so first of all, we have this container which is going to show on both of them, and then we have this column which is going to check and show on both of them. Okay, so this column, let's extract a method. So let's say build name and message, Okay, so this is going to be there, and then now this spacer here, what we'll do is we'll only show it, we only show the spacer if that is now the message. Okay, so this also, let's put it, extract it, and then say close button. Okay, let's say close button. All right, like that. So now these two, let's say what we're gonna do is just check first of all, let's check the close button. Okay, close button, we're only going to show it if this is not now. Okay, if this does not equal to now, we will show that, else we're just going to show the empty container. Even better, let's get the constant of sized box. Okay, like that. So maybe let's give it a try like this. Okay, let's hot reload. You can see that here we are showing this. Okay, let's get inside here. We can see that here we are showing this, but now that container is the color is not the color that we want to show this on. Okay, also let's this row, let's make it main axis size dot minimum. Let's hot reload. All right, it needs to be minimum, it did not reduce. Okay, so let's first of all fix this color. So inside here, the text color here is black. Okay, so here maybe, so this shouldn't even be 12. Let's first of all, let's try to remove the font size here, then also let's remove the font size here, and then let's see what we will have. Yeah, I think keeping the font size by default is better. And then the text color, so we did not define the text color, but I don't know why this is just black here. Okay, because we did not define it. Okay, so text color, maybe if it's in here, what we're gonna give it, so color, okay, maybe let's keep it a green color. Let's hot reload. So here it's changing, but here it's not changing. Okay, let's go. Okay, we have only changed here. Let's copy that and paste it there. Let's hot reload. Yeah, so there we have a text color. Maybe let's try blue. Yeah, I think let's keep it like that. Okay, so the next thing to do is let's fix the color here, because this, okay, if we want we can keep it like this. Yeah, I think it's visible. You can see that there is a reply above here. Okay, yeah, let's, for now let's keep it like that. We'll change it if we need to. Okay, so we have handled now this. This is now reusable, our widget. Okay, we can use it here, and also we can use it here. So the reason why it has moved here, because there is a spacer here. Okay, so let's remove that spacer. Let's this spacer. Okay, this should also only be here if we have this. Okay, this spacer should be here, else we should have a size box. Now let's hot reload. You can see that now this has moved this side. Okay, great. So this is what we want. So we have now showing the reply, like this is better compared to what we had. Okay, So now that we have this here, let's also pass it to this side, and then maybe I'm going to change also the text, the widget color here. Okay, so this widget, as you know, it's not done because we're not showing the time now here. Okay, in the last video we copied it and then we stored it down somewhere. Okay, we stored it here. So let's also now complete this widget because we were just making this reply message view reusable. Okay, let's complete this widget now. Okay, so now because you can see that it's now awkward everywhere because it's not completed. Okay, so now let's complete this widget. So here now we know that we don't need all of this. Let's delete that. And then in the last one we wrapped it with a stack, and then the stack and then now we wrapped it with this padding, and then we have this card. Okay, so now if we come down here after the message reply preview, so first we have this column, and then we have this is replying, and then we have the real message. Now after this message here, let's put a row widget. Okay, so now this row is going to have children. Now inside here, that's where we are going to put what we copied there. So let's click tab. Copilot already knows what we want to put here. So now here, this row also, let's put main axis size, main axis size dot minimum. Okay, now let's see. So this is the same things that we copied here. Okay, Copilot just straight away knew and paste it. It knows that we want to use them here. All right, now that we have this here, let's also now try to hot reload. You can see that now this has come this side. Okay, now all that is left to do, we need to move these. I don't know why these ones are moved this side. We need to move everything to the end here. All right, so let's see where is that. So this constraint widget, okay, let's start from above here. So okay, this one maybe we can also change it. Instead of doing that, we can do minus 45. And then what else? If let's just go step by step here. Let's see what we can change here. So this column also, let's put the main axis size dot minimum. And then what else? If we go down here, so this is aligned to the end. Let's okay, for now let's leave it like this. Also, okay, the reason also why we added a stack here is we want to put another child here, which is the reaction. Okay, so let's go to the friends, where's that chat list, my chat list, where is that? I mean chat, is it chat screen? Yeah, chat list, this one. Now here, so remember we were wrapping all of this in the stack widget, and then we were checking these reactions here. So now we don't need to. So let's get this one which says is me here. Let's copy it, then come back to alignment right after this padding. Let's paste that. Okay, now here we just need to import this, and then now the element, we know that it's a message, right? Message, and then that's it. And then now to start testing this, we need to go back to chat list and remove all of these. So now also let's copy this. What I'll do is I'll cut it from here, then come back in the alignment, and then let's also paste it here because we'll need to use it later on. Let's comment it, and then let's go back to the chat list, and then this tag, we don't need it anymore. So now we will remove this tag. We only have that, okay? And then now if we hot reload, we can see that the reaction is back there, okay? Let's get inside. Now you can see that the reaction is back here, okay? It now goes with this, even when we swipe, it's with that message, okay? Now maybe let's also move it a bit this side. Let's go to the alignment right. So here maybe let's keep it there, and then here maybe we can move it, let's try 30. So yeah, I think it's fine there. And then let's see why these other methods move. Because this text, all of the text needs to be aligned. I just don't understand why these other text is so this one also, let's align it to start. You can see in other messages it's moved this side, okay? So let's align this to start. Let's hot reload. Yeah, I think that one, that's better. So the image also, let's give it a restricted height, and then this, let's keep it the way it was, okay? It was by 0.7, I think. So also we need to remove this minimum width. So this will correct align our text. So let's hot reload. All right, now all our text are aligned. Now this message we want to align to the end, okay? But now the problem is, if we align our messages to the end, this widget also comes to the end. Also, maybe let's go inside this widget and remove the padding to the left here. So message reply, and then where is that padding? This, okay, this padding to this container. So let's maybe say only only, let's say top. Yeah, okay, what's going on here? Yeah, like that. So we don't want to put to the left, okay? So top, right, and then bottom. Also 10. Let's hot reload. Yeah, this side now it's going up to the end. Yes, okay, so let's keep it like that, okay? So yeah, I think we are okay now here. Okay, so on this one it's going to have an issue, okay? So also we can now do the padding depending on which widget we are showing, okay? So what we're gonna do is let's just have the same check, okay? Let's get this, and then come in on the padding here, and then paste. So if it is this we want to put, okay, so what we'll do is let's cut it from here, and then so left, what are we going to do here? So left, for the left side we are going to check, okay? If it is that, we are going to put 10, okay? In the else we'll put 0. Now let's remove that. Let's hot reload. Okay, Now we can see that we are handling all the cases. Okay, great. So yeah, I think that's it. So this widget for the right side is done. We can end this video here. In the next one, we need to put some restriction to the image. We need to put it some width and height, and then also after that we will handle this widget to the right side. Okay, so maybe let's end this video really quickly and then start another one to fix this. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.